Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up Surfshark VPN on any Amazon Firestick. Before we start, remember to check the description for a link to get Surfshark at a great price. Let's get started. From the Firestick home screen, hover over the menu and click Find. Then select Search. In the search bar, type Surfshark. You'll see Surfshark VPN appear as a suggestion before you finish typing. Select it. Under the Apps and Games section, click on the Surfshark VPN app and then click Download. Wait for the app to download and install. Once it's installed, hold down the Home button on your remote to open the Apps and Channels list. Find Surfshark in the list, press the Options button with the 3 lines and select Move to Front. This makes Surfshark easier to access directly from your home screen. Now, open Surfshark. When the app launches, you'll see the option to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, click Login. You can log in using your email and password or with a code if you've used Surfshark on another device. Log in with your preferred method. After logging in, click Quick Connect to establish a VPN connection. A connection request will appear. Click OK. Wait a few seconds and you'll see that you're now connected to Surfshark. To ensure your VPN is working, press the Home button on your remote and open the Silk browser. Go to dnsleektus.com. The website will show your current IP address. If it's different from your real location, your VPN is working properly. You can also verify this by reopening Surfshark and checking the IP address displayed under the connected status. Surfshark offers a variety of features. One of the most important is the kill switch, which disconnects your internet if the VPN connection drops, keeping your privacy secure. You can enable it in the app settings. Surfshark also supports different protocols, including WireGuard, IKEv2, and OpenVPN. By default, it's set to WireGuard, which is fast and reliable. I recommend leaving it as is unless you need to troubleshoot. You can enable Auto Connect if you want the VPN to start automatically when your device is turned on. Another useful feature is Clean Web, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware while you browse. There are additional features like static IP, multi-hop, and bypasser. That's it. You've successfully installed Surfshark VPN on your Amazon Firestick. Now you can browse safely, stream securely, and enjoy a private connection. Don't forget to check the description for the link to get Surfshark at a great price.